Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. As per usual, no idea what's in here, but we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you're enjoying the daily knife content on this channel and you'd like to support me as well, there's of course a link for my Patreon right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alrighty. This is an interesting one. A very long package. I don't recall any fixed blades coming in, but who knows. Maybe it is a fixed blade. Maybe I forgot that somebody had a conversation with me about fixed blades, and that is what is being sent. That's generally the only reason for a longer box, but I don't know. Usually when I get, well, it's just a big box. Oh good, there's a note. Good. I love notes. I love as much information as possible. Thank you. AMC. This, okay. Yes, I know this gentleman. Hang on. Let me go show you guys. There you go. Instagram, Bacon Swag FL. Give him a follow. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. Hey MC, hope your holidays are going well. Here are the, ooh, okay. I don't know why I'm hiding it from you guys, but yeah, okay, here we go. Very interested in these two. Yes. Two Protechs. This is gonna, I have been, I don't want to say neglecting Protech, but considering they are, I say over and over again that these are my favorite side-opening automatic knives in existence, and I just haven't reviewed as many as some other brands on this channel. So this next couple of months is going to be Protech heavy. All right, the first one here. Oh, we're getting some. There's some meat to this one. Holy moly! That is interesting. What do we have here? Ooh, boy. This is one of the ones with the leather inlay. I believe this is the... wow. I believe this is the Godson. I think what's in here is the bigger one. This is cool. It looks like maybe raw aluminum and then a leather inlay. Interesting lanyard back here. I'm not sure if that comes with it or if it's something that he added. This is very, you know, sort of old school gangster style. You know, I mean, Godson and Godfather, I think people understand the reference, right? But these have always been attractive to me. I like the look of the blade. I like the semi, not totally symmetrical look to it, but it's just cool. You know, if this is the Godson, it's bigger than I thought. I thought the Godson would be this little teeny tiny thing, but no, this is actually a reasonably large knife. Huh, interesting. Okay. 154 cm on the blade, which is, if you know my channel, you know that that's in combination with CPM 154. That's my favorite blade steel of all time. These are absolutely available, by the way. I will be linking them right down below, as long as you can actually carry automatic knives where you live. That is something that is available to you. And do we have, let's get some of this debris out of here. The next one, which feels heavier, which is why I waited. Yeah, I think this one's gonna be a little bit bigger. Sorry. Oh man, holy cow! Yeah, so that's the Godson. That guy is much bigger. This is the Godfather, but I think this is an operator series, meaning it's all blacked out, and then we have a little piece of tritium. All right, here we go. Man, that's way bigger than I like it when knives are larger than I thought they were going to be. It's just really satisfying. That is super cool. Protech's been doing this operator series thing where they take popular models and they black it out, and then they put the glow inserts or the tritium, you know, on the button. And in this case, I mean, this is just like a perfect knife for that to be done. Everything is totally blacked out. There's not even, they don't even have the badging or anything on here. It's just, everything is completely and totally blacked out. I think that's awesome. I mean, you know, if you're, come on, the camera's like, I can't even see it. It's so dark. If you're a, you know, regular person who circulates the knife world often, then you know a Protech when you see one. And I would say the Godson and Godfather are very like they're very distinctive. Like people know, you know. So you know, Protech doesn't need to put Protech on it or anything like that. I can see why they did it. This is nuts, man. Holy cow. Here, let's do a little size comparison here real quick so you guys can see. Beautiful. So, seriously, that thing is giant, right? But this is a, like, honestly, I can get a full 4-finger grip on this guy, the smaller one. It's not a review, by the way. First thoughts. First time I've ever handled these knives. That's what I do when I unbox them. I don't unbox them and then review them. So, for those of you who are new, I get it. You know, it's hard to tell exactly what I'm doing here, but a couple of weeks down the road, you'll get full comprehensive reviews on each of these knives. But anyways, yeah, I'm surprised that I can get a full 4-finger grip on the smaller one, and then the huge one, or the Godfather, is just like a sword. Very cool. For those of you who like a mix between, you know, the new modern tactical stuff and the old school, like if you're like me, then you had a fascination when you were younger with, or maybe still currently, actually, I still currently have a fascination with old school automatic knives, swing guard stilettos, swivel guard stilettos, leverlettos, right? All that stuff, those cool, like sort of gangster mafia looking, that it's cool, but those are not always made incredibly well, or they're made more, nowadays a lot of them are made more as display pieces or art pieces and are not really durable enough to take out and use on a day-to-day basis like we do here in 2020. But Protech knives, yeah, go ahead. If you didn't know, yeah, you take these things out and use them as long, you know, use them, beat on them, right? Now these guys obviously don't have incredibly robust tips, so I'm not saying go out and pry with it, but you want to go out and do continuous cutting, you want to make these things a, you know, a dedicated EDC knife, yeah, you're good to go. This is money well spent. Both of these knives, both the Godfather and Godson, are currently available in many different forms. I will link them right down below so you guys can check all of that stuff out if you want to. I'll also link Protech knives in general so that those of you who have never looked at Protech, never experienced, highly recommend. As far as this channel goes, and honestly, you're not going to hear, like if you do a quick search around the internet and try to get people's opinion on Protech, it's going to be largely extremely positive. There are very few people who have bad things to say about Protech. They're great, the company's great, the people that work there for Protech, right? Dave, if I'm getting his name wrong, I'm so sorry and I'm stupid and I'm losing credibility, but great person. All the contacts that I've spoken with through Protech have always been excellent. Excellent company. These knives are made in the United States. Big thumbs up to Protech. Check these knives out. Check out Protech knives. Highly recommendable. Expensive, but highly recommendable. Guys, it's going to be pretty much it. Thank you very much, Bacon Swag FL, for sending these in. That's going to be pretty much it today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.